Hello and welcome. This is English for Weather and Nature. In this lesson, we will learn important English vocabulary, expressions, and phrases to describe the weather and talk about nature. Weather is one of the most common topics in daily conversations, and nature vocabulary will help you speak about the world around us. Part 1. Common weather vocabulary. Sunny. Clear sky with sunshine. Cloudy. Sky covered with clouds. Rainy. When it rains. Snowy. When snow falls. Windy. When there is a lot of wind. Stormy. With heavy rain and thunder. Foggy. When the air is not clear. Hot. Very warm temperature. Cold. Low temperature. Cool. Slightly cold but pleasant. Warm. Not hot, not cold. Example sentences. It's sunny today. The weather is cold in winter. It's raining outside. Don't forget your umbrella. Part 2. Talking about the weather. Useful phrases. What's the weather like today? It's hot and sunny outside. The forecast says it will rain tomorrow. I love warm weather, but I don't like it when it's too hot. It looks like it's going to snow. Part 3. Weather expressions. It's raining cats and dogs. It's raining very heavily. A storm is brewing. Bad weather is coming. Every cloud has a silver lining. There was something good in every bad situation. Under the weather. Feeling sick. Come rain or shine, no matter the weather. Part 4. Nature vocabulary. Mountains. High land with peaks. River. Large, natural stream of water. Lake. Big area of water surrounded by land. Forest. A place full of trees. Desert. Dry land with little water. Ocean, or sea, very large body of water. Beach. Sandy shore near the sea. Valley. Low land between mountains. Island. Land surrounded by water. Example. The forest is full of tall trees. We went swimming in the lake. The mountains are covered with snow. Part 5. Talking about nature. I love walking in the park. The river is beautiful in the morning. We had a picnic by the lake. The desert is very hot during the day. Nature makes me feel relaxed and happy. Part 6. Useful conversations. Person A. What's the weather like today? Person B. It's sunny and warm. Person A. That's great. Let's go for a walk in the park. Person B. Good idea. We can enjoy nature and fresh air. Part 7. Tips to practice English. 1. Check the daily weather forecast in English. 2. Describe the weather every morning using simple sentences. 3. Watch documentaries about nature in English. 4. Learn new words from travel shows. 5. Talk about your favorite natural places with friends. Part 8. Conclusion. English for weather and nature is very useful for everyday conversations. By learning these words and phrases, you will 1. Talk about today's weather easily. 2. Describe natural places and landscapes. 3. Understand common weather expressions. 4. Improve your vocabulary about the environment. Keep practicing, and soon you will feel confident when talking about weather and nature in English.